1 minute, guys. I could understand 5 minutes, but 1 minute, Beyonce, I need to get on your level. That's all I'm gonna say. Hi guys, welcome back. I'm your host, Chrissy. I don't remember how to do my intro. Anyway, welcome back to Health and Fitness, the space where we discuss all things concerning losing body fat to gain muscle mass. Okay, so I am in a bit of a salty mood right now because this is not how I expected the video that I'm supposed to do today was supposed to go for you guys. Let me tell you why. So from the title you can see that this is the Adidas times Ivy Park review. Now the first drop I completely knew nothing about. That was I think in January of this year, and I just saw videos popping up on YouTube everywhere about Adidas times Ivy Park, and I'm like, what? I'm supposed to be this fitness person and I knew nothing about that. So I was like, it's not gonna happen a second time, right? This time around she came with the drip 2 or the drop 2, whichever one, and I was like, I'm gonna be ready. Okay, so the Adidas website allowed you to add the items to your cart, and first of all, I just have to tell you how much I went through, okay, to ensure that I would get these things. So firstly, I thought it was gonna be midnight, so I was up the whole night refreshing the website, I was scared to go to bed, guys, because I did not want to miss this. I fell asleep somehow. The morning I woke up, maybe 6 or 7 o'clock, that's the first thing I checked. So I was pleasantly surprised to see that there was a countdown on there, and they were saying, you know, everything was gonna be released at 3 o'clock that day for me. I think for Eastern time, it was 4 o'clock. They gave you the option of adding everything to your cart, putting in your payment information. So all you would have to do is press pay. Easy enough, right? Wrong. Because I had my cart ready to go, guys. I had all my little items. I was like, yes, Ivy Park, here I come, right? At 2:45 I remembered. At 2:55 I remembered, and then I pulled out my phone. Somehow, I don't know what I was doing in between 2:55 to 3, but somehow it dawned on me at 3:01 that you need to check this cart out. I took my phone out and I hit pay at 3:01. All items in your cart have sold out except for one. And I was like, are you kidding me? Like, my heart sank. Like, I wasted all that time for nothing, and I was like, oh my god, what I'm gonna do, you know, like, I really wanted this stuff, and that was it in a matter of 1 minute. There on the internet scrambling, trying to find the answers, because I'm like, what is going on? I'm so dazed, I'm so confused. And I see people saying similar stuff. Like, I'm gonna insert a little clip here.
How the fuck is that
possible?
And,
you know, this person waited until the last second to hit pay. So then I started to feel a little bit better that it wasn't me and my negligence, even though it was 1 minute. But I felt like, oh, if you were there with the phone at the exact time, you would have gotten your stuff. So please explain to me, y'all, what do you think happened? Like, did she just not have enough things for everybody? Or, man, I don't know. Some people are saying that it's internet speed and bots and all type of stuff. But I'm like, at the end of the day, don't have somebody set their whole cart up and put their payment information just to take it all away. Like, what kind of foolishness is that? So what I did notice happening on that day with the Adidas situation is each time I would like refresh the page throughout the night, there would be a few items that would pop up in the matter of seconds, and then they would be gone. So I guess when somebody's cart would expire, then it would reappear in my cart. But I was there, keep on trying to check these items out, and they would never check out. So I got the bright idea to go to my Google browser, because I was using Safari, because I'm like, maybe it's a card issue. I changed the card. That wasn't it. I was like, maybe it's a browsing issue. So I went over to Google, and lo and behold, I was able to grab one item. And that's the item I will be reviewing for you today. So it came into this box right here, and let us just unbox it together, because I did not take it out of the bag. But from in the bag, I can see that it looks like it's made from quality material, right? And this is the Ivy Park crop top in a yellow tint, and this is for $40. Now their items were very pricey, and that's why I was interested to try it, because I'm like, maybe these some leggings that will last you forever, or have some material that can make you do the squat a little better. I don't know, but for the prices that she had, I was curious to see what those stuff would look like. Oh, this is big. Oh, this is big. So here it is, guys, and it's, my camera's probably showing it all blown out, but it feels like quality material. Like, it's very thick, and has a little Ivy Park stitching right here. I got this in a medium. Looks like I could have gotten it in a small, and it has the Adidas logo on the back right here. Don't know if you can see that. And I'm gonna go ahead and try it on for you. So I think it is super cute, actually. I kind of thought I wouldn't like it, especially taking it out the bag. It's kind of like a boxy bat wing situation, so holding it up like that, it looks like it was huge, but the way it falls and everything, it's cute. And if you know me, I love wearing crop tops in the gym, because I get to wear the high waist leggings and kind of hide my pouch, but also show just a little peek of skin. So this is right up my alley. So the one item I got seems to be a winner. Alright guys, thank you for watching my very short review, and I will see you in another video. Bye!